What's up guys, it's me your Jimmy Geek. So finally I bought the Alphasmart Neo. Yes, the Alphasmart Neo digital typewriter or a digital word processor. Yes, I want something which I can focus and type without any distraction. So finally I bought it. Here is the unboxing and my review on it. Jump to the unboxing table. So here is the Alphasmart Neo. Yes, this is the Alphasmart. This is a digital text writer or a word processor. Especially if you love typing a lot, if you think you cannot excuse me, I just got a bad cough. If you think you cannot focus on typing, or you cannot get the work done if you're writing a novel or a blog post, or you can get easily distracted, or you just don't like the modern keyboard feel, this thing is best for typing. It use double A battery which I already put inside. The good thing is that it lasts for like more than a year. This is the Alphasmart. When it was launched for like $200 back in the days. So here we go. First I want to show you the control panel. Okay, so it comes with the word processor, calculator, control panel, Beamer Neo keywords. So now I want to show you the control panel. Can we see? Let me make it a little bit darker. Okay, can we see? Okay, yeah, here we can see control panel. Change the word smart font, turn off the calculator. Yeah, so this is the control panel. Display, change keyboard setting, change keyboard layer, turn on sticky key. Okay, here we go. Okay, let me go to and applet. Now calculator. For example, I can type like 5 plus 5 plus 5 equal 10. I can use the calculator if I want. I can go to applet. Okay, and then you're thinking, if you type something on this thing, how you can transfer the data. You can use any USB type. I think A or B is called. It's just like a regular printer or a audio interface cable. Any audio interface cable or a printer cable will work. But recently I just bought this one is like, I think it's called USB type B, I think so, to USB type C. Why I bought this one? This one I can use with my phone also. There's a software you can use, but I don't like using a software. I just like using a cable. For example, first I want to show you the main feature. A lot of people think how you can transfer the text. Here's my Android tablet, right? Here's my Android tablet. And then just open like anything you want. For example, for example, let me open some kind of note. Is there any note app? For example, okay, like this notepad. Okay, for example, yeah. Okay, let me just clear it all. Okay, yeah, now here's the notepad app. Okay, for example, let me go to file, let me go to applet. Okay, let me go to file 1. There's 8 file you can have. For example, like file 2, file 4. Let me open it. For example, I type something like, for example, the keyboard is very good for typing. I will give you my opinion on keyboard in shortly. This is a Alphasmart Neo. For example, I type something like this. Okay, you can connect directly to your computer. Here's the ports at the back. This is most commonly used as USB type B port or a printer port. You can just buy this case for $2 online from eBay or from Amazon easily for like $5. And this is USB type C. I just plug in. and open the application. I open just a simple notepad and I just click send here. Can you see? I click send and then it's sending. You see? Can we focus or not? Yeah, you see, it's send. Just click the send button. That's how I transfer. I mean, for example, if you type a lot, you just wanna transfer on like OneNote or something like that, Microsoft Word. You just connect with your phone or laptop, however you want. So this is the best thing I like about this one. This is very easy to transfer. You don't need SD card or something like that to mess around. Now for the keyboard. I mean, this is one of the best keyboard I mean to type. For example, I love typing. I like typing on this a lot. I mean, literally the keyboard is very good, to be honest with you. One of the best keyboard to type around. I mean, yeah, I mean the keys are very good. The keys are not like mechanical. I don't like typing on mechanical. I just love. I wish there was a keyboard, Bluetooth keyboard, which I can use with my laptop for typing. Sadly, this is the best keyboard ever I use. Still, I love it. I mean, typing is very good. I mean, literally, typing is very good. If you type a lot, then this is for you. I mean, literally, I love the typing. I'm a two-finger typer. So, this is the review of the Alphasmart Neo Word Processor. Yeah, I mean, the typing is absolutely cool. I mean, the reason I love this one is due to typing. The typing is so cool. So, if you are looking for a distraction free device, you can easily type. This is lightweight, 1 year battery life. If you cannot get your work done, today we are living in a stupid age. We are living in an age of smartphone which make us dumb. We are living in a mode of distraction of social media which wastes our time. So due to this, this is the best thing since sliced bread. This was launched, if I'm not wrong, 2002, more than like 16 years ago. Still, you can get it refurbished for around 25 bucks. When it was launched, it was for 200 bucks. Now you can easily get for 25 bucks refurbished. I love it. This thing you must give to your children, to teenager, or even you could gift someone who loves typing. He or she will thank a lot. There's some new like e-ink, I think from free write, I mean company, they went on Indiegogo, I think so, that is costed 300 bucks, but the keyboard is absolutely horrible. It's loud. I do not recommend it. I love the old school. If you wanna writing a novel, if you wanna write a blog post, just type the blog post. I mean, you can easily, I mean, check the words if you want. I mean, I forgot how to check the words. I'm sorry. Just suddenly, I don't know what happened. Check spelling. Okay, Control W. You see, I'm that stupid. Okay, let's see how many words I have typed here. Just press Control W. Control W is okay. Why it's not working? Word count. Control W should be working, right? Okay. Control W. Yeah, I just write like 160 character, 36 word. You can easily check out anywhere you want. I mean, this thing is good. If you wanna clear it, you can clear it. I mean, clear file. Okay. Okay. Let me go to file 4 again. Okay, let me clear the file. Now the file is deleted. Make sure to back up the file, always clearing it. I mean, again, the typing is quite good. It's very comfortable. I mean, I just love typing with this thing a lot. I don't know how to tell you. I really love typing on this thing a lot. I mean, literally, I love it. So, can I recommend? Definitely, yes. This is a must buy, a must buy, a must buy. It was me, Jimmy, a Geek. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box below. Subscribe and bye.